Hey guys, I'm Pat Kelly. Okay, this problem, they give us this equation x squared plus y squared equals 4. They ask us to determine if this equation represents y as a function of x. Now what that'll always mean with an equation is, can you solve explicitly for y? That's what I'm going to try to do, solve for y. Now what's key here though is if I say, can you solve for y, I don't mean your algebra skills, you personally. What I mean is, as you try to solve for y, do you end up encountering any type of ambiguity, any type of uncertainty? And that's why I say, can you solve explicitly for y in terms of x? I'll show you exactly what I mean right here. If I'm going to do some algebra and try to solve this for y, I'd throw the x squared on the other side to begin, right? So y squared equals 4 minus x squared. And I'm still plowing forward trying to solve for y. What else can I do? Square root, right? If I'm going to get y all alone, I need to square root both sides. So on the left-hand side, when I take the square root, I get just y. On the right-hand side, square root of 4 minus x squared. But I intentionally left a blank in front of that radical, because you need to remember algebraically, when you choose to take the square root of both sides, that's when a plus or minus is introduced, right? So in that step, when I took the square root of both sides, on the right-hand side, I ended up with plus or minus square root of 4 minus x squared. Now, you've seen this notation before, plus or minus, but listen to those words closely. Plus or minus, which is it? I don't know. And that's an ambiguity. That's an uncertainty. This is me not being able to solve for y explicitly in terms of x because I have this plus or minus. All right? So my answer here for this problem is that no, this is not a function. It's only a function if I can successfully solve for y in terms of x without any kind of goofiness going on, like that plus or minus. My tip to you will be that that plus or minus is going to be what throws the monkey wrench in the works for you most of the time. All right? Okay, hope that helps with this one. Practice more on your own, okay?